Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your payroll settings on Gusto. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and edit the date in which you receive payroll, or maybe you want to change the frequency. So either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is click on this pay button, which is going to bring down a toggle list. And then from here, you want to click on pay settings. So from here, you're going to see some general settings with your payroll. So you can actually see the direct deposit speed, the reverse wire, and the bank descriptor. You could actually go ahead and see the pay schedule if you go ahead and scroll down. But here you could actually go ahead and do the start of the week, change the pay frequency, edit the number of employees being paid, set if you want payroll to be on autopilot, and also see when your next autopilot payroll is scheduled for. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit your pay settings on Gusto. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. And also, if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and once you do, you'll get $100 once you do run your first payroll. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.